Hello everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our second Golden Ticket Assembly of the year. It is Friday the 18th of September and this morning we are looking at years 3, 4, 5 and 6 and our Golden Ticket winners. We're going to kick off this morning with year 3. In year 3, and you'll see in Miss White's class we've got someone with a great attitude, always tries her best. She's kind, helpful and listens really well to instructions. I could ask no more of Angel. Here she is, spinning into the shot. Well done, Angel. You so deserve this golden ticket, you superstar. Look at you, all the way through. Great expressions there through your primary writing project. Look at you, so organised. Perfect partner position as well, and then helping out as well. You absolute superstar, Angel. Really well deserved. Hopefully you can share your golden treat with your brother. Who knows, all right? But please do enjoy that this evening when you get home with your golden ticket. Really well deserved, Angel, you superstar. Moving on into Mr. Ackerman's class. Look at Mr. Ackerman's class. We've got someone who's polite, hardworking, tries his best in everything he does, and reads at least 5 times a week. It's that polite bit that I love. Absolutely superb. Saying please and thank you. Doesn't cost anything. It is free, but we've got to keep remembering, and it's superb. And this goes to none other than Alfie Jack. Here he is. Look at him. Look at the way he sits at his maths. He does his maths, his English, and actually star worker. He is absolutely superb, and a real credit to you, Mum and Dad. So really, really well done, Alfie Jack. Well deserved. And maybe you can share your chocolate treats with the rest of your family. Well done, buddy. Moving on to year 4. Year 4, we'll see Miss Barrett's class. This child has impressed in some way every day since the beginning of year 4. Hand up to contribute something in every lesson, reading every day, has a lovely, calm manner at all times. A delight to have in the classroom. Absolutely, a delight, actually, to have in this school. And it goes to none other than Riley. Here he is, look at him spinning in there. Absolutely, Riley. You are a credit to year 4 and to your mum and dad. Really, really well done. Enjoy your golden ticket, and then maybe again you can share your chocolate treats with your brother and the rest and your mum and dad. So really well done, Riley, you superstar. Moving on, we've got Mr. Pinner. Look at Mr. Pinner. For producing fabulous work in all lessons, not just one, but in all lessons. She has worked consistently hard, working from the very first day. A joy again to have in the class and a joy to have it in this school. Layla, here she is, look at this. Look at her, she absolutely is a joy. Always got a smile on her face. Always just absolutely lovely. Thank you, Layla, you superstar. Really do. Enjoy your golden ticket. Maybe you can share your treats as well after your dinner tonight as well. So really do enjoy those. Well done, Layla. So proud of you. Moving on to year 5. Here we go. Miss Arthurton's class. This boy, obviously, he comes into school every day with a smile on his face and ready to learn. Reads every day and puts 100% into everything he does. Even when he finds something challenging, he perseveres and always produces amazing work. Absolutely true. Well done, Ashton, you superstar. Look at you. Big smile on your face. I'm so proud of you, buddy. Huge congratulations. Well done. This is, I don't know how many of these golden tickets you've got now, but I mean, you must be close to 10. It's absolutely brilliant, buddy. So huge congratulations. Well done. Enjoy your treat with everyone at home. Well deserved, buddy. Thank you, thank you. A great, great start. Thank you. Moving on. Miss Musselwhite. This child has really impressed me since starting year 5. She perseveres even when things aren't easy. She gets involved with all lessons, reads every day, and is just a lovely person to have around. She certainly does. Needs no more introduction. It's Goda! Well done, Goda, you superstar. Look at you. Look, absolutely beautiful. You superstar, you wonderful, wonderful girl. So pleased. I know Miss Musselwhite keeps singing your praises. She doesn't stop. Hugely deserved. Really, really well done. And maybe again, you can share your treats at home as well this evening. Huge congratulations. Well done. Moving on to year 6 now. For being incredibly well organised, tidy, putting in maximum effort, even impressing Mr. Starling. Not only impressing Mr. Starling, but even impressing Mr. Allen. In my games lesson and doing our hit routines, this boy absolutely tries his most and he doesn't ever stop during them as well. So you have impressed me as well. Caden, well done, Caden. Yes, said this in games lesson as well, how brilliant you are, your attitude, absolutely superb. But that's obviously in all of your lessons. So, and really quietly just getting on, doing what needs to be done and trying your utmost. Well done, Caden, really well deserved. Enjoy your chocolate treats and share them with your family, all right? Proud of you, buddy. Moving on, finally, our final golden ticket goes to a girl who consistently been a perfect role model for everyone in the class in terms of behaviour and work ethic. a great start to year 6. I could ask for no more from year 6s. I could ask for no more from any child, really. And it goes to none other than Amelia. Look at her, look, there she is. Thank you, Amelia, you absolute superstar. Whatever that is, I want. It looks amazing, whatever it is that you're eating. It just looks delicious. But huge congratulations, son. Really well deserved. You have such a brilliant start to year 6. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Well done. Enjoy your golden ticket and your treats when you get home. Super. Finally, well done to all the golden ticket winners. If you want to win the golden ticket next week, look at these children, copy them, be like them, because actually that's the way to secure your golden ticket, right? Finally, obviously, have a fantastic weekend, everyone, and we'll see you all on Monday. Nice big smiles on our faces after a nice rest over the weekend. Well done, everyone, and bye-bye now.